Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making Egg Benedict, 班尼迪克蛋. Egg Benedict is a very classic American breakfast or brunch dish that consists of English muffin and topped with Canadian bacon. Also, poached egg. The most important is the Hollandaise sauce. Today I'm sharing with you how to make a perfect poached egg and also the Hollandaise sauce. Let's get started. Here is everything we need. For one portion of the egg Benedict, we need 1 English muffin, 2 Canadian bacon, 2 eggs, and 1 tablespoon of butter, and a splash of vinegar. And for the Hollandaise sauce, we need 3 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, just a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of honey. So first we are making the sauce, the Hollandaise sauce first, and we need a blender too. First step, put the butter into microwave. Put the butter in the microwave to melt it around 1 minute. Okay, and now put 3 egg yolk into the blender. Okay, and then add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of honey. Okay, and then blend it. Okay, blend it about 1 minute, and I'm going to add the melted butter. Change the speed to the lower speed. Okay, and slowly stream the mixture into the running low-speed blender. Okay. Alright, let's check. Okay, this is the consistency we want. Okay, set it aside, and I'm going to poached egg. So now I'm going to show you how to make a poached egg. First, you need a saucepan filled with 3-inch water and bring it to boil. So now the water is boiled. Turn the heat to a simmer. You should see a small bubble coming to the surface, but not rolling. Okay, this is a perfect situation. And add a splash of vinegar. We need to poach the egg 1 by 1. Crack the egg into a bowl or a cup. Do not break the yolk. Gently easing the egg in the hot water. Okay. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes. So after 3 minutes, so the poached egg is ready. Okay, use the strainer to take the poached egg out. If you liked the running yolk, So the 3 minutes will be the perfect timing. We are going to prepare the egg muffin. Cut 1 egg muffin in half. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and spread on top of the bread. Okay, and then put it in the oven to toast. Toast the muffin. Before we put the English muffin, I'm going to spread the mixed green for garnish. Put it on the vegetable, the center of the vegetable. Put each slice of Canadian bacon on top. And poached egg. Okay, the most important step is the last step. Drizzle the sauce over the egg. Sprinkle chives on top. Alright, so this is today's Egg Benedict, 班尼迪克蛋. It looks so pretty and also very yummy. Make sure to try this classic American breakfast recipe at home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time!